So nice to meet you. I smell it on the pillow when she leaves, yeah. And when I think about it, get that feeling. Get it in the morning when I'm ready. Smell like gardenia. I smell it on the pillow when she leaves, yeah. And when I think about it, get that feeling. Get it in the morning when I'm ready. Sweet sense of meaning. How the garden grow, how it bloom and what it teach you. Started as a seed, now I'm walking through the jungle. Between green leaves, no, we not looking for no trouble. So what's the story? Known a lot of people, but I never seen a vision quite like you, and I was smiling when you walked in. Never left my face since then, it's hypnotizing. So nice to meet you. I smell it on the pillow when she leaves, yeah. And when I think about it, get that feeling. Get it in the morning when I'm ready. Smell like gardenia. I smell it on the pillow when she leaves, yeah. And when I think about it, get that feeling. I get it in the morning when I'm ready. What's that reason? All I ever knew and all I do and why I'm breathing. Teacher used to yell from slapping pizza on the table. Now I gotta get it, giving it back up to the people. So come and get some. 10,000 reasons I've been burning with the mission. Living in a dream, melody, ammunition. Finally found out sound you didn't know that you was missing. So nice to meet you. I smell it on the pillow when she leaves, yeah. And when I think about it, get that feeling. Get it in the morning when I'm ready. Smell like gardenia. I smell it on the pillow when she leaves, yeah. And when I think about it, get that feeling. Get it in the morning when I'm ready. What is hotter than the sunshine? You know we always gonna be having a good time. And I don't care if I don't get no sleep tonight. I just wanna get high with you. See you standing in the moonlight. I feel like I've been waiting my whole life. Keep it burning steady when the mood is right. I just wanna get back to you. I don't really care where you're been or where you're going. There ain't nowhere to go, but it's better than I know it.
Hey, traders, what's going on? Good to see y'all. Happy Saturday, hangover Saturday here. It's terrible, dude. I guess it was worth in the end, but hey, man, sometimes you take me with the good, you take me with the bad. Today's the bad. I could have just not gone live. So, anyway, wow, Bitcoin's down $844. And it looks really strong, like holding above this local high, the two highs, right? Where people thought it's a double top confirmation high, we're going down. You're back testing that for the greater part of 4, 8, 12, going on, 16 hours. What was once a resistance is now becoming maybe support. That's pretty cool, dude. Right, and you look left, I think you're just reacting at a 50% retrace after finally hitting it officially yesterday on that pump, all but given back. It was all given back, but now it's like, starting to rally again, which is pretty good. What's up, Double Down, man? Holy crap, let's go. Let's freaking go.
Double Down tipped $100. Much love, Mitch.
The love is equally mutual. Double Down, thank you, man. I don't even know what to say. Figure like, who would ever be tipping me looking like this, man? Oh God, I literally have done nothing. It was real bad. Yeah. I don't even know why I'm live, man. Other than to just give you the updates on what's been happening across this crypto sphere. There's one notable asset, or a couple, but the most notable is XRP.
Take a look at QNT USD. Bought in at $7, looking at where I should take profit.
Yeah, we'll do that. Thank you. What the heck? Oh, okay. Weird. Philly, thank you, man, for the 20. And we're gonna look for where are Quantum's critical levels. We'll look at it. Thanks, man. So, XRP broke the critical resistances yesterday. The horizontal line, the local resistance, and the supply line. Daily candle close confirmation, immediate fall through price action today. And where it is, there's currently really no resistance on this chart. I don't think there's really any resistance until 151. I think that's the target. That's been the case, right? 151. Even though I understand there's more down on other charts, if you go to those charts and you look at it, it's like there's nothing here at 150 even. It's like a straight line up and down, like, right? It goes to like almost $3, 283 or something. Anyway, back from the day, 2017, 2018. So that's huge. We have a colossal breakout, but you can't be surprised, right? I mean, imagine ignoring a Gartley this large. And the strategic levels, once the second bottom occurred, it rallied back above those levels, then even back tested it as support. So nice. And since then, it has been going nuts, right? I mean, today it's up 14.25%, but from the bottom to now, XRP has appreciated in value in 24 days, 143%, man. What? Oh my God, dude, can we please get some? Bruh.
That Moon Boys Ghost tipped $250. Rough night?
Dude, really rough night. So rough that I couldn't even bring myself to get ready for the stream. Barring acts of changing the title and the thumbnail and stuff, right? I couldn't even get dressed. I'm so hungover today, all right? I feel terrible, like death, dude. But that's okay, because crypto never sleeps. Vet Moon Boys Ghost in the chat. We don't know though, man. That could have been a fake Vet Moon Boy. That might not have been the real Vet Moon Boy. We don't know, dude. We don't have the technology. Holy crap. So, that is another thing. One asset doing incredible, another. We have to play the obligatory sound clip. That's That's right, Vechain is doing things. Broke that 10-cent area, even back tested it as support. We talk about strong wave structures, chat. Strong wave structures where you make an X, you make an A, but then your B is insane. It's like a higher high, then it pulls back, makes the higher low, and then you know like what could happen is the next wave could be pretty insane. And there's no resistance here. Like it's on its way to the target. This target's been the same. Vet Moonboy, dude, if that's really you. Remember we talked on June 24th about adding to Vechain, right? And then it went down, it did the same thing. It confirmed the bottom one more time. And then that's it, man. Dude. No, terrible. Like this would be, I can't do it. I literally can't. It's like an impossibility, dude. I can't.
Drink Trolls goes to $250.
This is like literally.
Imposters are everywhere, man. Good.
How'd you even know, of all days, to be throwing these at me? Can we just put it like 2 coin flip debt or something, dudes? Oh man, I could chug coffee though. Remember that time, that like 6 a.m. live stream, dude? When I chug coffee, it was nice, man. Dude, I feel like I'm gonna vomit right here just because you talked about it. I wanna yak. Vechain up 7.77%, repeating of course. Drink Trolls Ghost. $500 on the day already. And I don't even know, man. This is, you just don't know, man. You're like, you go live and you're like, whoa, what could happen, dude? I don't know, man. I mean, like, crypto could do something, or Vet Boomboy just comes in, double down comes in, you know, and just like, boom, Philly Filmer is here, right? I will feel better, but I need time, Jophus. You wonder if Gavin's ghost is floating around here too? Nah, dude. I don't know. I feel like, man, that was a battle, dude. That was insane. I'll never forget that too. It's so amazing. It's on the intro, right? It's that war. Oh god, dude. So all I can tell you about Vechain, Vedman Boy, is it's approaching targets where levels of inflection are there, right? They're highs from May and June. And that's literally where someone, if they're taking a trade down at these levels from June 24th and July 20th, right? That's where they would take some profit. And that is where we could see a reaction, a price reaction, right? Just as clear as I have these green lines for targets, they're also resistance points too. So above that though, nothing, dude. Nothing above these local highs until really like 25 cents. I know, it doesn't even seem believable. 25 cent Vechain again? Remember that time back when it wasn't even 1 penny? Forever. It was not even a penny for a very long time. Oh man, so great headliner day. Did anyone notice Alex Cobb's on the
show to work hungover. I expect your desk to be cleared by tomorrow.
Oh good.
Is that a joint?
I'm gonna get axed, chat. I'm getting fired. Y'all are firing me. I'm sorry. It's a cool thing though, right? I don't know, my bosses are pretty oh my dude. Oh my god. Let's go. That's messed up, dude. Those some shots fired right there. Someone screenshot that and sent it to Gavin.
$250. Who's Gavin? Eggplant. No hangovers for Vechain today. I'm gonna be rich soon.
Oh yeah, yeah. Vet Moonboy's not rich, by the way. He's gonna be rich soon, though. Don't you mean the rich get richer, Vet Moonboy? Isn't that like literally the thing? Dude, I don't think I'm gonna drink another sip of alcohol until probably Vegas, LA, right? God, dude. Yeah, it wasn't just me streaming yesterday. I went out. I went to the rooftop bar across the street from my place, and dude, my bro, like from high school, we played football together there at Oak Mountain, and you know, I went on to Alabama, invited to walk on at Alabama. He walked on at Auburn, as a receiver, right? And you know, he owns his own distillery now, right? And Red River Distillery, and he DJs on the side for fun, and he was the DJ at the rooftop bar last night and just hung out with him the whole time. It's on my Instagram story, you can kind of see it, but it's a really small world. It's a really cool world. All right. Anyway, yeah, Alex Cobb's on the thumbnail, and it's freaking hilarious. Someone tell Alex Cobb, send a Raven, send an XRP. And I was like, dude, we're kind of similar because I do DJ stuff on stream, kinda. I mean, we talked about being vibe curators. I know I got Vet Moonboy dancing in the streets right now. All right, so there was another one that ironically we kind of bashed, just not bashed, but like just we were real about it. Hbar. We knew like it was on its way to maybe 25 cents, you know, it was maybe 23 cents at a little more upside, and look at it. And it's all about the levels, right? If it breaches a level, it can go nuts, and it did go nuts. It went as high as 27.79 cents. And really, you gotta go to the daily, man. You can't really be on the 4 hour with this one. There's so much chop. I mean, it was the candle high close from June 3rd. And then you got candle low closes at 30 cents. And then above 30 cents is like, there's an array of overhead resistances, 32.9 cents. But then, you know, up here we got, dude, it's like, which one is it? 38.6, is it 40 cents? It's all over the place, man. So one thing we can do, just because it's kind of confusing. It's like, it's really tough to know which one, you know, is going to be the major reversal, high to low Fibonacci. So you've now officially retraced 38%. A 50% retrace is confluent with that 30 cent area, the swing lows. And then it's like, you know, the 886 is up here at 42 cents. And now it's raining. Oh yeah, centralized corporate coins. Let's go, dude. Unbelievable. Chat, please, more hype in the chat. Oh my god.
That Moonboys goes to $250. That's my second favorite crypto for a long-term hold. Love those centralized corporate
dude,
coins.
you know, it's funny.
Yum.
I don't even know what Hbar does. So you know more than me about this coin. Is it a centralized S coin? Those are our favorites, aren't they? But then Moonboy, something magical has occurred. It's finally, right? We were talking about yesterday for like the greater part of 2 weeks. Hbar was just testing the 200-day moving average as a resistance, could never break it, and yesterday confirmed a bullish engulfing candle and a close above. And now today, immediate fall through price action on some pretty real volume, highest volume Hbar seen since May 23rd. Yeah, dude, $250 minimum request, chat. Good one, Mr. Lodick. All right, so Hbar doing things, Vechain, XRP doing things, and then nothing really else is going nuts like that. You know, bigger coins. Look at the, whoa, what the heck? No. No, I don't want to. No, do not. The heck? It was gonna make me delete my watch list of newer S coins. Now Ocean's up, Zill, Iris coins up 8+%. So nothing too special going on across these markets except the ones we just looked at. Go, you know, we got a real winner here though. We got Maker. It's literally dollars away. About $100 away from the first target of the bullish bat pattern. It was specimen, dude. It was like Vechain in ways. Dude, I'm so sick right now. Chat, I am so sick right now. Okay, so You're right, just like targets also could be resistance points, you know, 4K, psychological, it lines up with a high from April 15th. Yeah, man. And if you break that, I mean, you break those levels, you break 43.55, dude. Wow, dude, you break 43.55, you got nothing. Like, nothing, dude, really. Until like $6,000. $6,000. Take the night off. The night's been taken off, dude. I'm taking the night off. I'm not doing anything. I ate super spicy chicken tendies today, and it was so difficult eating because like I'm so nauseous. Yeah, I mean, like, we're still looking at the notable gainers today. Just remember, chat, like, these are like educational experiences. Oh yeah, Vechain Thor in the chat. Chat, do you see this? We're gonna have a full jar of Vechains, bigger.
Check out the sweet meaty H.
We're gonna go right now, dude.
What's that, Michelangelo?
Thank you, dude.
Love the Hefner vibe we got going over there. I got a
Hefner vibe, dude. It's not.
Could we look at daily DOGIRA on Uniswap? Potential juicy entry cooking up around 0.000037. Much love, Rosa.
This is not a Hugh Hefner thing. Okay, dude. Yeah. Banderas, thanks, man. Yes. Yeah, dude. Totally going for the Hugh Hefner look, chat. Big time, man. Can't you tell? Oh, by the way, total achieved $2 trillion last night, but no higher. It's run up, and I love that candle, dude. After a mega statement bullish engulfing candle, when you show indecision like that, that's so good, dude. They're just showing like market participants were testing lows, right? 50% pullback, and then a rally, you know, up and down. That is great. That is control. Bulls controlling still. Total. Beautiful. So we can engulf it tomorrow, or not, or just like an hour, 34 minutes. Bitcoin somehow like up. You know, on this 4-hour candle, it's up like $800 from its lows. Crazy. Yeah, Vechain Thor though, that one went nuts, man. Like, I remember that one, dude. It was like everything else, man. I just haven't been here in a while, but it was a beautiful shark, right? I mean, like, undeniable, deep retrace. From the low to the high. I can't believe this news. It almost lost 88% of its value, and that's where the major reversal, the new wave began. So it's just kind of like one bottom, second bottom. And once it got back above 0.5 of 1 penny, man, just going. And it's really in a level now. Like, it's above all critical resistance until I think like 1.6 cents. So Vechain Thor still has lots of upsides. It's above the 200-day moving average again. And it's just in between levels. And that's not even, like, the overhead resistance is 2 cents, man. Like, there is no overhead resistance on this asset as I'm speaking to you until 2 pennies. That means it has like 80% upside still or something, right? I can't remember. Is it 80%? Until the next overhead? Nah, it's like 60% upside, my bad. Yeah, so this one's like crazy, man. It's up 17.76 cents. Super American today. Thanks, man. Yeah, Vechain Thor in the house. Chat, are we okay? I'm dragging through it. We've been live 25 minutes, and it feels like I've been live for 10 years. The weekly looks insane. Just look at it. Yeah, it does, man. It's stupid. It is all stupid up in here. Dude, yeah, the weekly really tells you. I mean, there's like the low at 1.45 cents that you could very well test and reject. But again, overhead 2 cents. And then you haven't seen positive momentum on Vechain Thor on the weekly since May 10th that week. And soon we'll be showing it again. You are now in the bullish. Oh, you're close, man. You're at 58 on the RSI, so close to the bullish control zone. You're still neutral until you break 60. And that could be happening, you know, in the next few weeks or month. And we know with Fibonacci from the high to low, where are we? We have not even made a 38% retrace yet, chat. Look where the overhead resistance is. This one, the all-time high, candle high close, near the 786. It'd probably be your longer term target. On this one, you wouldn't be like, I'm not saying buy now. God, really, dude? I'm gonna buy now. But, you know, eventually for people that were holding it like levels where we could see a major pullback reaction or reversal are those deeper retraces, 786, 886. It's like 2.3 to 2.5 cents. Wow, it's nice, man. It really is. All right, there's another request. Can we get an audio check too? How am I doing? God, XRP is at session highs right now, chat. Look at this. Literally, hold on.
XRP going to the moon. Yeah.
We're good. Sweet. So XRP pump stream, chat. Pumps in the chat, XRP's in the chat. The XRP Moon Boys are back in season. Oh my god, man. Hey song for XRP? No, not until it breaks above 194. Isn't it crazy? It never saw $2 on Binance. So we're just like, literally, we're gonna look at the other requests, but I'm just like, you know, when there's price action on assets we know, we kind of like being there for them and looking at them, look here, listen, stuff, where there is no resistance at all here. I mean, like, it could reverse, sure, but the inflection points just don't, there are none for a while. All right, man. I bet Moon Boy. Thank you, brother. He must head back to the Andromeda Galaxy to reconvene with the Vechain overlords. Thank you, my man. So this just keeps going, man. 16.24% up with 1 hour and 28 minutes till the daily candle close. I don't think there's certainly no chance on making it to the end of the day. Today. Yeah, just a little bit, Andrew. Just a little bit. So fantastic developments going on. Yeah, looking at just, you know, some assets. YFI, man. You want to talk about YFI? What kind of price action is this? Wait, and we'll get to the request, dude, but I just want to tell you, like, price action right here is so strong at this resistance. Dude, look at it. It's just absorbing the remaining supply. So much demand, the asset can't even make a really deep retrace, you know, to threaten the previous low. Oh my god, man. Not overbought, just chilling at 60 on the 4-hour RSI. I'm not going to be surprised if this breaks. And look what it did. It had its own textbook 4-hour. Can someone tell me what pattern is here? That didn't really do anything. It hasn't played out yet, and it's not invalid yet either. So, can someone tell me what I've identified on YFI on the 4-hour somewhere on your screen? It's textbook. Rising 3 methods, that is correct. 5 Japanese candlesticks. Bitcoin just confirmed a daily Rising 3 methods. Holy crap. Guess it's not so rare anymore. Anyway, it's not invalid until you get some sort of candle close below the lowest point, and you're fine. So once 39,655 breaks, man, you're going to 43,780 again, then 50K after that. Unbelievably strong. This is what can happen. I mean, how can you be surprised if you know how to read charts? It's crazy, man. What was once a resistance, critical inflection point became support, and then it was gone to the next level. And now it's just absorbing the remaining supply. It looks like, anyway. I mean, of course, it could just reverse here too. That's exactly what can happen. Reversals occur at levels like this too, but it doesn't. It just looks like strong price action for now. And then we haven't even looked at Ethereum today. We need to. That is just looking fine, man. Well-established uptrend, made a slightly higher high. Today it's pulled back with Bitcoin, but not as bad as Bitcoin.
Happy Friday, Lich. Could we look at Salyust?
Yeah, man. We'll look at gold. Spot price on gold. Sam, thank you for the 25 super chat. Again, apologies for the look, but I don't know if my TA is really that affected by being hungover. I don't know if it's any worse. I know it's not any better, but it may not be any worse. So anyway, right, you know where we are. We back tested overhead resistance as support, and it's the strong wave structure. It's the X, the A, the B, the C, and the B is at 113 to 127 retrace, which implies maybe, I mean, theoretically, right, because it's not anything yet. It's something that's in development of being researched and studied, right? This is the C to D wave. It should be the larger wave and take you to much higher highs. But we'll see. What's up, Benio? Thanks for the Canadian super chat. Or sorry, super sticker with the lady with pink hair saying, thanks. Thank you, dude. Yeah, China's been amassing a lot of gold, dude. No, you didn't, Philly, man. We've just been like, there's some, you know, it's not like a month and a half ago, right, where it's so dead that nothing's happening, and it's not happening for another couple weeks, few weeks. We got all kinds of stuff going on, man. Let's go to that request. Still looking at, you know, assets. Yeah, this one, man, I don't really ever come to this. Quantum, it mooned like many others. Mooned. It's at an inflection point. Man, there's so many of them. Guess we got the daily. Yeah, there you go, dude. It's just like, there's a swing high right there. That's what you tested. So many peaks, dude. So for quantum, I'll tell you this, like, this is exactly where reversals occur. If it breaks it, then it could go straight up to 1841.
Happy weekend. When you get time, can you cover ontology/USD for me, please?
ONT, yeah, that one's been doing pretty well. Yeah, WLS, but I mean, let's be real. A lot of them have been doing really well lately for good reason. It's like all the things we've been teaching for years. You know, the crypto market made it a seminar, or what they did, right? Things we always try to teach: the value, the confirmation lows, the divergencies, the critical ice lines, some of them, not all of them. All that stuff happened, and we are just watching the magic occur. It's why, I don't know, man, I'm not gonna get philosophical here, man. Too hungover. Anyway, there's no value here. There's nothing like that makes sense for someone to take action, besides maybe if someone got in lower, they are taking a little profit, just a little bit, right? It might be like a first target, you know, second target 1841, and then your third target could be like $27, right? Because that's going to be like a 78% retrace from the swing high, that wick high to the low. So that's it. Those are like, those would have been your 3 targets, I think, on the way up as a swing trader: 14, 18, 27. Because those are the major, those are daily swing highs that are discernible. All right, there you go, Philly. All right, here's a request. This might be the most, wow, dude, it sounds terrible. Oh my God, dude. Wow. Oh my God, though. It looks incredible. This thing's about to moon, man. I mean, based on the way assets look before they go insane, I mean, you could look at it a couple ways. It's looking to me like you had that peak there, you pull back with a slightly higher low. And oh my goodness, the hidden bullish divergence on the daily. This is DOGIRA to wrapped ether. Candlelight close right there. Wow, dude, this is it, dude. I know it's up 11% today, but the way it looks, right? We think about all the things from previous discernible major lows to the highs. This thing lost 90% of its value, 88% of its value, but it's bottomed out at this 195,689, right? Bottomed out, and it's now made a higher low, and it's showing seller exhaustion on the slightly higher low. That's like a signal. It's a signal from the market, the composite man or whoever's making this market. They own more of the asset than they did before.
$0.61. Hey, Mitch Hafner, could you take a look at Wooly USDT, please, sir? I need to feed my village.
What's up, liquidated sum?
0.010000000ETH.
Sure, dude. Thanks for 3261 of Ethereum. Yep. So, I mean, you know, you think like, hey, you're out of the woods. You're not out of the woods even when you break 348,000. You know, you got it 469. But after that, after 469, I think that's when the fireworks begin, where the insane markups could happen. I'm talking like, if this asset ever breaks this 469,000 level, it could go up to 1.2 million or whatever. That's it. So this actually looks like it's ready. It's ready to launch. Okay, you're being warned on, I don't know, I mean, like, how do you even trade this? Dude, look what it says. It's DOGIRA.LOL, laugh out loud. But yeah, incredible chart. Like, despite its name and what it is probably a scam of some sort. My God, dude, this looks actionable for a long. I mean, lower risk areas here. Anyway, we're moving on. Good chart actually, unironically. Swag, Tonio. Huh. Yep, gold is really making an attempt to come back, right? Flash crashed 1685, hit that low from April and March, and is now back at the supply line of the downtrend of that channel, right? Once it gets back above 1834, I'll feel better about it, but then I'm gonna want to see it make a higher low, you know? It's just, hey, congrats on it recovering some. And yeah, there certainly is like bullish divergence on the daily. Like, that is undeniable now, right? Undeniable, classic class A bullish divergence on spot price on gold. It's almost like, I mean, that's really nice here too. It's a class C bullish divergence, twice oversold, beautiful. So this is implying, chat, gold daily MACD histogram and kind of the RSI are implying a reversal to the upside. That's it. Last time you showed bullish divergence that was classic was March 31st, and that's when you ushered in a crazy reversal. But no higher highs in sight in a year. There have been no higher highs. Only lower highs for an entire year, while Bitcoin is up 300+% year over year. That is literally unreal. That candle, chat, unbelievable weekly candle. Are you kidding me? This is like the most beautiful looking bullish hammer I may have ever seen. Like, for real. A candle this beautiful, chat, could usher in the reversal. I'm not kidding. Like, this could be the bottom on gold based on how powerful this wick is and how perfect it is. Wow, dude. And to be real here, if we're talking about like what matters the most, the candle closes, there's no candle close below 1766. It's still kind of in line with the potential inverse head and shoulders. It's just everyone got faked out. But I can't, you can't ignore that. That is beautiful. I'm sorry. That's like chart art. Japanese candlestick art right there. So pay attention to the most beautiful bullish hammer of the year on the weekly for gold. We'll see what happens, okay? Because it's like, you don't have to take action on it, but we've identified a bullish reversal candle, and let's see if the TA is respected. And we can have fun. You know, this is the fun thing. That's like why I love TA. It's like you don't have to take action on it, but let's see how it plays out. All right. Very promising weekly on gold somehow. I guess that would, I mean, you think about it, right? I mean, what just happened on gold, the dump like that, composite operator literally destroying everybody, making them capitulate. Even I was just like, oh, screw gold. But now look at it. I mean, it's still going to be a slow going asset, even if you own it. I mean, it's probably not going to perform as well as other assets that are, you know, less liquid than 10 trillion on the market cap, right? So, I mean, even if it goes up from here, how much time are you wasting in this while it slowly, methodically appreciates, when we just talked about XRP in 24 days is up 140%, dude. 24 days. Gold would never do that, like ever. So okay, next one. It's fantastic, man. Just look at the weekly on ONT, dude. You can talk about low risk areas. Look what it was doing, man. Look at this level all the way back from January 2019, October 2019, January 2020. Oh, that harmonic, dude. God, what a Garley. What a legendary Garley on ONT, December. But look what happened, man. The asset lost what? It lost 88+% of its value from its low to its high. And that's where reversals occur. And it just so happens that lined up perfectly with the inflection point from history. That's ONT, and it's not done. ONT is not done, dude. That's not even valid on on the weekly. It's probably daily or something. Let's say like the next like real resistance on the weekly for ONT is probably going to be 150. It's got like one more major level, and you're at it. 109. That's just kind of like a high from October 2019, February 2020, and almost August 2020. That you can clearly see that's like with a.
Thanks for pushing through. What do you make of Trolley's last with rounding action with hidden bullish divergence on daily?
I don't know, Joker. We can look at it. Thank you, man, for the 20. I appreciate it. Sorry, I'm just really dead today, so just bear with me. Deep breaths. So ONT, if it breaks 109, it has percentage upside of 40% still. Yep, and that's not even, that's like, dude, it's maybe making a 38% retrace now, maybe. It's not, oh my God, dude. Listen to me, like on ONT, from its high to low, it's only now, as of today or this week, achieved a 23% retrace. What we know about assets is that is the shallowest retrace. Sometimes you react there, but it's normally not the major reversal. The major reversals can occur more commonly between the 382 and the 618, between 144 and $2. That's ONT's area.
How will he know?
Medallion? Medallion, dude, I don't know. Thank you, though. Appreciate the $10 contribution, man, for real. So I think ONT a lot more upside, but it's got its little battle at an inflection point that goes back to August 2018, man. So once that breaks, boom, it's gonna go up 40%. Thomas Karan, what? Bitcoin breaking down, question mark? No, it's literally not moving. Like a whole stream hasn't really moved. You must be looking at like 1 minute timescales or something, I guess, to be ever asking that question. You know, like, and those timescales don't mean anything. Oh man, this looks really nice too. Holy crap, dude. This thing looks insane. And I've been here before. Dude, we've been here before. Wu-Tang, that's it. It's on its way, dude. It's heading to 107, 111. Like, last time I looked at it, you were probably the person that requested it last time. This is it. It's on its way to the next resistance. And if it ever broke that, dude, look out, man. I mean, you'll go test your all-time high at 139, but if you ever broke 139, this trend's bullish. You can see 170 eventually to $2. That's right. Wu-Tang. Wu-Tang trades. Disrespecting the TA. Just confirming a major bottom, right? I mean, that is beautiful, dude. So good, man. So for, what were you saying though? You need to feed your village? Well, I mean, it seems like you'll be able to feed them with more tendies soon because it will probably rally more than where it is now. It might back test, it might come and back test 70 cents, but if it successfully holds or not, it's 107 to 111. Okay. Next one. I mean, I get it, dude. Like, you're on a polymath to wrapped ether. I guess it's in low risk areas, chat. Sure. There you go, a range bound asset. If it breaks the range bound asset, it could go nuts. I don't know, man. It just like, there are thousands of assets to trade that are probably way more liquid and a lot easier to buy. Oh my God, what do you have to do to buy this crap? You gotta like hack the Pentagon to be able to purchase polymath to wrapped ether maybe. What's it, dude? I guess maybe it's double bottoming. I don't know. I mean, again, great. Joke Smoker, thanks, dude. That was it, man. Those were the requests. We did it, dude. I survived. Been live only 49 minutes. Dang, man. Why is no one talking about Cardano? Because it's like, I'll be talking about notable gainers and stuff, and then people will request things, and then I'll keep talking about notable gainers, and then they'll be like, well, dude, you didn't do my request. And I start doing requests, and then other people in the chat are like, why aren't we looking at anything else? Why aren't we looking at this or that? Why is no one talking about that? It's like, dude, like, what am I supposed to do? It's like trying to manage here. Yeah, Cardano is absolutely amazing. Nearing the 230 resistance. I can't believe it's not there yet. It went 225 pretty much. So it's beautiful, dude. So that's it, dude. That's your 886 retrace too. That's X marks the spot. We knew if it broke 185, that's where it'd probably be headed. 230. Boom. Sobo. Yeah, I'm just hungover. 10 pence. Really bad. Like extremely bad. Like, I can't even believe I'm live right now. Randy, no one is. No one was trading that. No one. That's why it's like, clearly see I didn't take it seriously. Anyway, great stuff, dude. What do you want, man? It's being talked about right now. I killed it. It's mooned. Oh, excuse me. Oh my God, man, I feel terrible. Oh.
Mitch, it looks like you just woke up from having a sick night last night.
It was fun. I don't know if it was worth, dude. The way I feel right now, I don't know if it was worth. It was really fun. Dang, I don't know, that much fun. We'll be alright, dude. Okay, so since we got the requests out of the way, man, we were just looking at, some gain. Dude, ETC, there's so much upside on this asset, chat. You have to understand it broke resistance yesterday. It's today back tested that resistance as support for now until something changes. And the target on this asset is $80, the next target. Sorry, someone was trolling with a siren. Yeah, no, man. Can't stand being hungover all day, Andrew. Yep, I agree. It's unfortunate. It was just like the perfect storm. Like the variables caused me to be drunker. I was already. I think it's like there's this science, right? It's not real, but to me, I mean, maybe there's research on it where if you're going through like something really good, like in your body or your brain is releasing chemicals like serotonin and endorphins and stuff, right? And then on top of that, you're like drinking. I feel like you might get drunker and it might affect your hangover. I don't know, because hangover is just like being dehydrated and stuff, no electrolytes, but it's like an S theory I've had on it. Anyway, it's a joke, but 80 cents on ETC. That's one thing we do know. That's probably where it's going. It broke out, man, and it back tested the breakout. So XRP is up 18%, and it's 128. It's at its highest level since May 19th. In 1 hour, 3 minutes, will be the highest daily candle close since May 18th. Beautiful, dude. A sight to behold. Technical analysis. What's up, bro? Sorry, I don't know why the thing broken.
Hi. So I'm here to FUD Hex by asking you if it's possible Hex can dip again. Thanks. Smiley face. I need $0.00001 again, Plaza.
Plaza. Is that fudding Hex just by asking if it's possible to dip? Oh, anything's possible in these markets. Anything. So we'll look at Hex, but dang, dude, it's really hard to get off the XRP screen, huh? This chart is glorious. And it was identified in June. Just go back to the late June streams and look for this chart. Like maybe there's timestamps where Zeke was. Zeke was posting timestamps, and you just know like it was identified, but then it would look good, then it looked great. July 21st started confirming that the bottom was in. What's up, dude?
Liquidated SIM tip $32.45. I know you are retired, but could you look at swap USDT, please? My village is hopeful for this one. 0.01000000 ETH.
Thanks, dude. Yeah, sure. Thank
Is
you.
DGB slash used at an inflection point yet? What are we looking at? THX Mitch.
Also, Digiverse, thanks, man. Well, look. All right, let's look at Hex. That was a request of 1.2 ever since today. To me, I love it. I think there's tremendous upside on Hex. Yeah, it's playing out. It's about to confirm a breakout. I have an alert set up. When we hear the Butler bell on Hex, that means we have a confirmed double bottom. This is a very strong, hyper bullish trend, and a potential bullish pattern develops. You can't ignore it, man, because they can be reliable, and if they are reliable, they can oftentimes outperform. And this one's inching closer and closer to the breakout. And the measured move is 20 cents, a little over 20 cents. That's it. Hex, beautiful. It looks great. So can it dip? It can always dip. So anytime anyone ever asks, can something do something? Anything's possible. But this looks more like it's going up next, not down. Like it was dipping, and then it held a demand line. It held horizontal line supports, resistances, and then confirmed the bottom was in. And now that you have the macro on your side, see, Hex was doing things when Bitcoin was doing nothing for months, right? But now that you have the macro behind you, this is like everything is lined up for Hex to go again, based on just what it looks like here. Okay. Sergio, do you need some attention, man? Are you mad or something, dude? All right, next request. Oh God. Oh, I thought we were here. I thought we'd been here before. Oh. Well, this one got devastated, like literally everything else. But, I mean, like, where is it bottoming out, Chad? I mean, like, come on, dude, right? It lost almost all its value, but not all. Only 88% of its value. How many times we gotta look at charts and see this and be like, oh, you know? So I think this one's probably on its way to, yeah, maybe this high back here. Let's go to the daily on this. Where's that candle? Okay. It's pretty big range. That's the target, 150. Candle high close back from August 2020. And if you ever broke that, sweet mother of God, think you understand what could happen. If swap ever broke 150, I mean, minimum target's 230. That's literally it. There's like nothing more to talk about with this asset. It's up 20% today almost. But it has not breached any critical levels yet. It's just running up to it. I think there's probably a little bit more upside even on this asset being up 20% today. I don't know when it's going to do it, but you think it would eventually test this level. I don't know. It may not break it, but if it does, tremendous upside upon you. That's swap, dude. Is it wrong about what, dude? About me not talking about XRP? Dude, you obviously don't watch the stream every day because and you're obviously not a patron. You're not supporting me via Patreon because like I posted countless charts on XRP all the time, dude. And pinged everyone and all that. So that's great, dude. Like, he didn't talk about XRP enough, dude. Get him. This is a technical analysis show. This is not the XRP show. Alex Cobb shows for that. If you want all XRP all day, that's him. Okay? Next request. Right? Because it's like multiple assets exist, not one. I know, it's crazy. Just another, dude. Just another asset that lost 88% of its value, then confirmed a bottom, and has rallied resoundingly has breached a high that goes back to June of 2017. The next level of resistance is 8.3 cents. That's it. That's your next level. You have broken out yesterday. You broke out yesterday, and you're flirting with that 200-day moving average, right? So I think if it can stay above this level and doesn't reverse here, then 8.3 would be your next level of inflection. 8.3 to 9 cents, right? That's the high from February. You ever broke that? That's where it could go up to, you know, insane levels, back to the January 2018 high, 14 cents. Okay, that's it. So that was the question about DGB. Is it not an inflection point? It broke the inflection point. It bullishly engulfed yesterday. So it's not out of the woods, right? Because a candle close confirmation is good, but it's not the best. It didn't back test. It was close to back testing, but not yet. Just remember, you got to go all the way back, dude, to years ago to know that this level is real. Okay. Yeah. Good God. An asset that's under investigation by the SEC that is losing all its value while Bitcoin is going to all-time highs by $25,000+ for the first time and kept showing bullish signals. Why would I talk about XRP? When Bitcoin, like we're going where the money's going. You understand what this channel is, right? We're looking for assets that are showing potential for upside. Crazy, dude. Can't believe he's not talking about an asset when it's getting wrecked and everything else is mooning and still outperforming. So yeah, a lot of upside. I mean, really, dude. I mean, if this is actually going, a structure this large, man, like a year large structure, this could eventually see 14 cents again, no problem. Like, not even kidding. If the whole macro is back in bull season, yeah, dude, these altcoins gonna make deep retraces. 78 to 88% retraces. 14 cents would be your longer term target. Huge pattern everywhere across this market. Okay, was that it? Oh no. What's up, Robert Online? Thanks for the 20, dude. Yeah, well, look at Tezos, which is good. It's up 2.6% today. I think it broke a level of inflection. And it's on its way to the next one, 395. Yep. Another huge, it's like DGB. Wait, we were just on this chart. No, we weren't. This is the same, but different. Homogeneous market. So it breached 333, which is not even, I mean, it's real, it's there. It's been regarded a multitude of times as support resistance. But I think it's just heading to the next level, which is 394. And then after that, it's 447. So you're not out of the woods yet on this one. Once you break 447, that's when fireworks start. Maybe, God, then you got to go to 535. So I got a bunch of old harmonics here. Trade setups, beautiful trade setup. That was so good. So there you go, dude. A lot of upside on all these coins. This is normally when assets eventually, this is like where it could all continue and you could go to, you know, part 2 and go to all-time highs, above its highs we saw in May, if it's going to do a 2013, 2017 thing. The macro. So just going back to XRP, which is up almost 19%. It's pretty much at its session highs, and there's no resistance in sight until 150, and that's not even really much of one resistance. I just have it plotted because it was that wick high you know, on Binance when it got listed. So I think that would be the target. But just above that, like you got 166, right? A real one right there. What's up, Doin? Why is? How you doing, man?
Much love.
Thank you, dude. The love is mutual. Go the unwise. So this was XRP's day. Today, I don't know. It's just been doing really well. I mean, ever since it bottomed out at the pattern completion zone of a textbook bullish Gartley, not once but twice, it's been doing phenomenal. Beautiful. TA respected. All right, made it an hour. Holy crap, dude. I did it, dude. That's not easy. It has been the toughest hour of stream time ever for me, I think. 50 minutes until your daily candle close everywhere in crypto. The daily on Bitcoin, fine. Bullish and golden candle yesterday, and a nothing burger candle today after. I'm good with that. Well above the 200-day moving average still. It's beautiful. Dang, man, that's hype in the chat, dude. Thanks for the hype in the chat. What is it, Sergio, man? It's like, do you even, I mean, like, I don't even get it, man. It's so weird. Like, your vibes are weird, dude. They're like negative vibes. You're spending your Saturday too in here being negative, pushing negative. Weird, man. I'm over here like, you know, hey, what I make? I've made like, well, like 12. No, it was like $1,300 in 60 minutes on stream, right? Living my best life, and you're in here spreading negative vibes on a Saturday. Who's winning, dudes? Are you winning? The people in here that are in here for the good reasons, they're winning, because like we're applying traditional technical analysis to an untraditional market to find trades, and we found them, and they're playing out unbelievably well. So good. Total gonna be just fine, man. Hold on, we got sirens. Man, these coins are just holding up so well this weekend. You don't think Bitcoin looks good on the daily, dude, but that's not true bearish divergence. The separation of the histogram islands is normally what you need to see. You need to see separation, right? Separation, you don't have any there. RSI is, I mean, not too bad. It's diverging, yes. It is diverging for sure, but you're at 67 on the RSI. You're above all critical resistance. Who cares if you get a pullback? If a pullback happens, what's gonna happen, dude? As long as, I mean, Bitcoin, the whole consensus is if Bitcoin stays above $42,000, this was the case before and now after. Anything above 42K equals bullish. That's it, dude. 42K, above it, bullish, below it, could be bad, could see 30K again, easy. That's all you. That's kind of all you need to know on Bitcoin. And above 42K, the only overhead resistance that exists on the daily chart is 58K or 57.5. That's it. So who cares? It goes and backtest 42K. Great. We'll see what it does. Let's see if it. And I mean, you can see some of these coins, what they've done. I mean, if they pull back, all right. I mean, YFI has already hit targets. KNC's hit targets. Trade setups, dude. We're talking about literal trade setups that were published at the beginning of the month are hitting targets. Not all of them. This is YFI, August 5th, right? Very strong strategic reason for taking long at 32.8. Okay, one target's hit, technically two, but I'll give it to you that it didn't do this on other exchanges, but it happened to be the one where I listed it. So 2 of the 3 targets hit. Yeah, it's not on the third target, and most aren't gonna be on their third targets. Because it's like, it's the beginning, and so you have a big run like that. This is where a pullback can happen, you consolidate for a while, and then you break and run again to eventually hit those next targets. Excuse the beeps. Like, look, I mean, some are better than others, right? Like this one was posted earlier. This was posted like July 24th. Look, man, Monero, textbook bullish Gartley, reaction low, reversal low, triple bullish divergence. That was it. $200. It's not even at the first target yet. It's almost there, man. It's just testing that 266 area. Engulfed yesterday bullishly, and it's almost at that first target, right? So I mean, these things are going, and yeah, pullbacks happen all the time. Doesn't mean it's all over. Oh, KNC, right? KNC. Yeah, look at this one, dude. Now look at this. I mean, that's like, hey, it's KNC. It's a perfect bat, and then it was too strong to ever come and back test it again, right? So it back tested a level. This is what I said in the Patreon trade setup on the 27th of July. KNC is attempting to regard a major ice line as support. November of 2020 peak. If crypto is reversing its trend, this is how it could be sized up. And guess what? Lo and behold, that ice line held, and you've hit one target so far. It's beautiful. TA respected. Yeah, TA respected. Beautiful. Storage. Well, I mean, oh, I'm so surprised on storage, dude. Really? Imagine being surprised on storage literally breaking out right now. Yeah, it is. I mean, it is actually chat as I'm speaking to you, as you're breathing as a human being or alien. We have a breakout occurring on storage. So major upside on storage above this 130 area. So for storage, attempting a breakout, finally. Just gotta understand how important this level is. Once it breaks, boom.
Howie Wow, you took $22.22. Take a look at our CL King Mitch. Many thanks, Pura Vida.
So Howie Wow, thanks to 2222 ERSL. Sure, dude. But just everyone here watching the stream, wow, dude, storage is literally breaking out, man. I can't believe it. I mean, we're talking upside potential on a breakout. If it's real, it may not be real. It could up thrust and fail and fall back down and whatever, But if it does truly break out here with confirmation, we're talking about like 44% upside on storage, life-changing percentage upside on storage, and many other alts. Oh no, we've been talking about storage far longer than just yesterday. I'm at an alert on storage start really going or something. I'll be like, oh my god, I'll hear a beep. Okay, what is that? What a joke, what a name. I've been here before. All right, and this was it. Like last time I was here, it was like, hey, if 26.7 cents gets broken, your target's 38.998 cents. And where are you, chat? Where is this asset now? It's at that level.
XRP is pumping and I own XRP, but if XRP boy wanna be bitter about it, then the fact is XRP hasn't even reached half of its 4-year-old ATH, so it's underperforming. But to Mrs. Defense, he said it's XRP's time at 0.55 in early April and is set up now in June.
Yep, but that's the thing though. They won't watch. They won't watch when it's literally showing bullish divergence and harmonics, pattern completion zones. They're only watching. They only come here during the pumps, and they're like, they never were here during the times when it was developing because they're moon boys, right? What's up, Benjamin Lopez? Thanks for the hex. It's a beautiful emoji. The $6.66 contribution. I need to figure out a way to get it to where it can maybe be on more. I don't know. It's cool. Cool logo. Whew. So I mean, above this is you just have to go with the wick high, I guess, right? I mean, it's doing all the things that charts do, assets do when they break certain levels. They go to the next ones, and if it broke 40 cents or whatever, then 56 cents. That's plenty upside. That'd be a nice, adequate resistance if it broke this. I don't know if it will though. Never claimed I know that assets will do something. We don't have to know what an asset's gonna do in the future to make money. Oh man, good reminder. 10 pence. I have it. I have a huge thing of it. I just hadn't been drinking it. Just been drinking the coffee. So there's nothing really to talk about. There's no value here. It's extremely overbought, like a lot of coins that, dude, you just can't be surprised. As assets, right? As swing trades hit targets or approach targets, right? You just can't be surprised if pullbacks occur. Then they'll probably just pull back. If they do, if they pull back, they'll make a higher low and probably go again. And it could be a buying opportunity, like an add-on to a long or something, right? If the variables present themselves well enough. But they just did present themselves so well for us weeks ago. And now they're playing out and we're reaping the rewards of these impulse candles. That it was implied that this was going to happen from reading charts. It was implied. XRP implied that it was going to do what it's doing today and days before. It implied that. So now you're at levels and you can pull back. And that's okay. This could pull back. It's not a big deal. It pulls back, maybe back tests 26 cents. It just broke through it and ran to the next level. It never back tested it. So market participants on this chart have no idea if 26.7 cents is a true support, right? Market participants know it was resistance for sure, but no idea if it's support. And that was it. That was the last request. We have 38 minutes till your daily candle close. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. I've even said that once today in the cadence, Yeah, I think we're lacking on the likes. I think we could get a lot more. I don't know. Mark Douglas has taught us all, Porter, that we don't need to know. And it's beautiful. Anyway, back to XRP, because it is at its session highs and multi-month highs, is in the middle of nowhere, right? There is no support or resistance where this asset is, and this is what happens in between those levels. Beautiful. Gotta love it.
Hey bro, Ren please. Hydrate bro, water is essential. Lol.
Centralized water, dude. Thank you, Fong. Nguyen, man. Yeah, we'll look at Ren in a second. Just hold on. Let's see how high this pump can take us, man. It's awesome. %, chat. Daily RSI. Nuclear. Talking one thing. It's getting there. It's like 84. Highest RSI XRP seen since April 14th. And in April 14th, it hit multi-year highs technically. DeFi H2O, yep. See, people in here, like, I mean, some people might hate XRP, but most people here just look at it like it's any other asset that can be traded, and that's it. And it takes too much effort, too much energy to hate something that is just a chart on a screen, dude. Like, oh my God, wow. Total 1.975 trillion. That's literally the price it was at yesterday while I'm like spinning and Belushis are going off, right? Water is essential. I know. Come on now. Dude, I just drink it. You requested I drink water, right? And I did. But yeah, maybe I'll add another alert or something if it just keeps going. Maybe it'll interrupt the REN analysis. What's up, AA LS coming in from El Salvador? Wait, when is the El Salvador officially making it a currency? It's like soon, right? It's like the next week or two, or it just happened? That was not, this is, I don't know, dude. I don't know what kind of water it is. It's just regular filtered water. It's nice.
I'm not into having relationships with coins.
Yeah, I agree. And as it should be, right? Sorry, dude. I'm like working at like 50% brain speed right now. Yeah, REN is looking good, man. REN's still looking like it's got a little more upside. I think, you know, it's 52 cents and go to 57.5 cents, test that high back from August and September of 2020. So it's almost there, and then, you know, it's probably gonna have to test the areas right above it. And then after that, that's when it goes to 78 cents. So it's nearing a critical level. So Rodney, thank you, dude.
Is that a joint?
He's
Is that a joint?
Thanks for the daily long form streams. Entertains and informs me while I make graphics.
Boom. John Lopez, thanks for the 1337. The Neo, the rare Neo in the jar. Look at that. It's topping it too. We got a 1272 fib jar, fib extension on the jar. Thank you, dude. Yeah, it's not for everyone. Some people like it. It's kind of like podcast-ish in a way. I don't know. So, I mean, it did hit like, you know, some nice inflection points. It lost 88% of its value. You remember REN back here when it was like showing all this accumulation back in December? It was ungodly looking and it went nuts. All such bullish variables right there. It was so good. Like, if you go back to the streams back in late December when we're talking about REN, like confirming a bottom after making a higher low, oh my God. It almost was like a 3 rising valleys, but then it ended up just becoming almost like a double bottom. So anyway, kind of triple bottomed here, right? And it's not at a value area anymore. I mean, it's still got probably in time, like in the next 2 months, like a lot of upside, but like, you know, these waves happen and then pullbacks occur and they can occur for a few days and then before it goes higher. So you're approaching levels of inflection and it's 57 cents and 78 cents, 88 cents. And then after that, that's when things start getting crazy, you know. That's your REN. Just like everything else, it's like at lower risk areas on the daily. Yep. Yeah, we got a lot of water heads in here. Obsessive of water muchmen. XLM's pumping now, chat. No one even talked about it. No one even let me know. I just look at my watch list and I'm like, oh my God, XLM's pumping hard now. What a catch up. Remember this like upsloping consolidation sometimes can be hyper bullish, like a hyper bull flag. I mean, that's like what it should be termed. They're bull flags, but it's hyper. Anyway, it broke out, it even back tested it, then it engulfed an immediate fall through price action. It's testing the 200-day moving average right now as I'm speaking to you for the first time since June 7th, and that just happens to be it's at its highest price since June 5th. And nearing a critical 41 cent resistance. It's been regarded as support resistance a lot since the beginning of the year. So I think that's the big one. If it breaks 41 cents, boom, it's probably going to 52 cents really fast. The mega 58 to 60 cents. Big deal up there.
Hi Mitch, how's ICX looking?
ICX looking like fine, dude. Anything above $1 equals bullish SF. Up 1.42%. You know, it's taking its time. You know, it's taking a little bit longer than it last time, you know, February, but target's 185. No odd. 185 target to 192. It's gonna test 133 soon. And you might catch a reaction there. It could pull back and maybe spend some more time maybe going to back test the support again. It's already done that. It's already broken and back tested for a while. It's perfect, man. It's so perfect. I love this one because there's just, look at it, man. It's everything you could ever dream of using the formula that I try teaching every day. Almost 500 likes, is that true? Dude, I'm so dead right now. Oh my god. Yeah, there's nothing more to talk about in a while, man, except where we're talking about one could have entered between 75 cents and $1, right? And just collect tendies at 185, 192 and just wait. It could take a while, but whatever. This is a massive structure. It's a year-large structure. So if it takes that long to develop, then that can be relevant in how long sometimes the new wave plays out, right? So it's like a long, like, you know, Ford, same thing. Ford or Nokia, those huge harmonics. Yeah, Joe, they do, man. They do. I'm not ever drinking alcohol again. I'm saying that for the 10,000th time. But I'm serious this time, chat. All right, let's check out GRT again. You know, because that's one, man. It's down a little bit today. Hey, whatever, man. But it's blue skies. I get it. There's that one high, 94 cents. Whatever. Yeah, you'll react there. You'll hang out there. It's good, man. Patience. Yeah, Jack, dude, it's been tough, dude. It's been real tough. I don't know, Vet Moon Boy and y'all made it like fun, but be sure to join the Discord if you're watching and you're newer. If you want to like learn more about technical analysis, it's always good to be around like-minded individuals, right? You learn a lot of things when you surround yourself with people that are into what you're into, which here it's all pure charts. We don't hate assets, we don't love assets. What we do love, low risk, high reward opportunities. And we love the composite operator because he gives us signatures and we try to find them. So we can play, we can run with the bulls, we can run with the smart money. $0.10, I mean, that's normally my thing. It's like once a week, maybe twice sometimes, but my issue is like when I do it like once a week, I'll just kind of go, I have no tolerance and I just go and just, get smashed, man. Yeah, XLM pumping, we just looked at it a minute ago. so GRT, just a little hangover.
Hangovers is the devil. You should try my Bobby's glacier water.
Nice one, Bobby Boucher's mama. Yes, drink this. This water was blessed by an Eskimo medicine man. Thank you, Bobby Boucher's mama. Crypto is the devil. You know that would be the devil, man. Oh, Eskimo water chat. Just visualize when you're drinking ice cold water that it's blessed by an Eskimo medicine man, and it tastes so much better. What's up, Fong, dude? It's essential. It's essential. It sounds like a Totoso.
Do you yield farm at all? Tons of success I'm having in Poly and Solana Eco.
No, I
Water
probably
is
should set it up.
still-
I mean, further diversification, right? I mean, I should probably throw, you know. No, I haven't. Don't those yields like change when the market dumps? They like go down like substantially, and it's like, what's the point of even holding it if the yield goes down too when the price goes down, right? Didn't some or a lot of them do that? I don't know, I just have to research it more. Well, that's weird. Fong to win tips about Solana, and then Super Trooper comes in and literally requests Solana, right? All right, yeah, we'll look at Sol. The Wombo combo. Oh, it's pretty, man. It's at a major level though, a major breakout point. I would say like could be. This is like literally chat where people would take profit. Some people would be, a lot of people would be taking profit here, right? They're entering on the 200-day moving average, successful back testing, engulfing candle, the bullish divergence on this low, right? Confirmation low of a bullish alternate bat pattern. And then the top of the alternate bats where maybe where someone would take profit, right? Am I crazy here for thinking about like people might take profit on an asset that appreciated in value 100% in 25 days? Yeah, they might, dude. So don't be surprised. I mean, like these are levels where reversals can occur because of those situations. People take profit, but it would probably just come and back test $38 or you know whatever. As long as it makes a higher low than $24, all is well, right? Accumulation. But if it did break this level, then right above it, you got $48, $48.60. It's got some levels where its reversals have occurred, not too major, but you break $48, you get $56 all-time highs. You ever broke that, then you got bib extensions up here talking about $68 would be your first target above all-time highs. Okay. Solana, yep, definitely at a level. A potential reversal area, but it looks so strong. There's no, all right, here's one thing about it. Like it might be at a profit taking level, but there's certainly, indubitably, no buyer exhaustion on a daily time scale, zero. Just right at 70 on the RSI, no exhaustion. So really hard to, you know, come up with an argument on why Solana's gonna reverse majorly. It just might have a mild pullback because of profit taking levels, but at the same time, it's crypto. Crypto could go nuts, man. Anyway. Damn, dude, I can't believe how long y'all kept me around, man. Y'all kept me around. It's an hour and 34 minutes. I'm getting closer to that close, huh? 22 minutes, dude. But I just don't know, man, if I'm gonna make it, dude. 22 more minutes, I'm like dead, dude. I'm gonna die. When I end stream, I feel like I'm just gonna.
If you're holding the tokens anyways, might as well take it off the exchange and earn additional yield. We can make a killing in the yield farming market. Happy to share the knowledge for you. LMK.
Thanks, Fong, to win, man. Oh, so you get bonus yield if your asset's cold. Interesting. That's, yeah, there's like a lot. It's a new world. It's a completely new world that I'm not really versed on. So that's why I don't really talk about it, you know. So if I don't know about something, I'm not gonna try to like talk out of my A, you know, on a subject. This is DeFi. It's cool. I don't know. I mean, like, if I own YFI, am I DeFiing? What's up, Daniel, dudes? Thank you, man.
Daniel tipped $26.17. Hi Mitch, could you check bpro/USDT? Thanks for streaming and get well soon, smile. 0.143167000 LTC.
Thank you for the Litecoin contribution. Much love, dude. You're causing me to FOMO into Litecoin. So hold on a sec. Again, train of thought, my brain's all messed up right now. You're talking about DeFi. Ethereum transaction fees kill you on DeFi. And it's like, you know, I don't know, because like, it seems like it would make so much sense. Hey, 5% APY or something, 6% APY, that's incredible for like, that's like, but do I want to put a serious amount of cash in that because I don't know? It's not like, you know, remember back before rates went down, I mean, hey, you could get like 2.65% APY just sitting there in a savings account, you know, high interest savings account, and you didn't have to think about it. You were collecting it, it was whatever. I don't know, man. Just because it's so new still, kind of just like a little skeptical maybe. Anyway, BPro. Wow, dude, BPro, look at this. That's some nice consolidation right there. That could be almost considered a bull flag, maybe. But this is all you need to know on BPro. Anything above 1 penny is bullish, right? So hopefully, and yesterday, look what it's doing now. Daniel, dude, look at the 200-day moving average being regarded as support. It was once a resistance before, now it's support, and you're above the levels that are extremely important. So like, this is like, yeah, it had a huge markup, but it's been consolidating since the beginning of the month. So like 2 weeks, 12 days of consolidation, and it's not bad, dude. Like if this holds, then you know the upside is 1.6 cents. The percentage upside right here, if this support resistance holds on BPro, which we don't know. It may not hold. It could literally not hold. But if it did, the upside potential on BPro is 65%. That's it. That's literally all you need to know about BPro. It's actually really good. Pretty freaking good anyway. Oh man, this one might be a little too feminine for me. You know, sometimes that happens in these sets. It's just like, it's okay. Just not my cup of tea. Dude, that's unreal, dude. That seems like scam. Fong man talking about a 93.85 APY. How is that sustainable? That sounds like Ponzi stuff, BitConnect stuff, dude. Like, wait, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. How the heck is that any different? Now, Cake on the chart. Cake and bake and cream, dude. Oh, I love them. They're back in season. Look at Cake, dude. Bullish, shark pattern, reaction low, reversal low. What else? It was at lower risk areas. It lost all its value. This was an old trade setup, legendary. But now it's above very critical levels. Anything above $19 is insane. Anything above $19 means you could see 26, 28 soon. And anytime the pullback's gonna occur, right? This has just been non-stop going up. So, but if we're talking just about the levels, it's 19.20 and it's 26.28 and above that. Good God, dude. And you got the Vechain right there. I guess we'll plot, but 42.70 above is the next overhead resistance above 26.28 with candle closes. So sorry, I'm just like reading slowly. And just trying to survive, man. You know, Tropic Thunder GIF, survive. Look at this, 16 minutes to go and Bitcoin's actually looking okay, man. That's crazy how Bitcoin has backtested the local high as support for 16 hours now. That's wild, man. Join the Discord or be destroyed. Can't believe this guy would say that. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Hi. Gypsy Coin new project is up whopping 270% today. Looking to be a big community Gypsy Coin finance.
That's shilling, and that doesn't work. So thanks for the contribution, but no shills, please.
Doge please papa, much love 30.
Thanks, S+. Yeah, Doge. Sure, we'll look at Doge. That is attempting to breach a critical level. If it breaks this area that is breaking, this 28.29 cent area, 36 cents is the next target. Do you understand me, chat? You do not come in here if Doge is up like 25% tomorrow or the next few days or whatever because it broke a major inflection point. Don't be like, oh, this. Why do you never talk about Doge, man? Or whatever the weird things are talked about, what people say sometimes in chat. Like just, what? This breaks, what it's broken right now, it's going up another 25%. This looks like almost like it's getting ready, hyper bull flag stuff, man. God, some of these, it's the strong wave structure, right? It's the canary behavior. It's the X, the A, the deep, yeah, 113, 117%, and the higher low, and then we get a 2618. 2618 just happens to line up with the resistance. It's not even really a major resistance. The big one's 41 cents. I mean, like, legit, between, like, above, like, 30 cents, you could go to 41 cents. But, like, we're talking about strong wave structures. They're just doing it. It's like Ethereum. Canary. Not a real pattern. It's a meme, but it's actually not. It might not be a meme. So that's Doge, dude. Doge has broken out, has literally broken the June 25th high, and hidden bullish divergence, no buyer exhaustion. You know, Bitcoin pulls back or something, yeah, everything's gonna pull back. It failed, but locally it looks wild, man. I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh, it's a rising wedge. Yep. Upsloping price contraction. Yeah, it really is. 1, 2, 3, 4, not even 5 touches yet, but so you just got to think about it. It could very well reverse here because it's an inflection point. If there's not enough demand to keep this price sustained above 28.9 cents, this is literally exactly where it could reverse. You understand, right? That's what support resistance is. But currently, as I'm speaking to you, it's above that resistance. And we know patterns, it's about probabilities. Though it can break down, it also can break up, right? You can have measured moves downwards and upwards, right? 100% measured move upwards whenever it breaks out, and downward if it ever broke out. How about that, man? It's a probabilities game. It's not a certainty thing. Yeah, I did Hex already, and Hex looks incredible. I can't even believe it. It's so good looking. It's about to break out. It's about to be a confirmed double bottom on Hex. Unreal. Fib the tip jar. Haven't done that in a while. We'll do it. Why not? All right, chat. We're gonna Fibonacci the jar. I just have to move it down a little bit. Hold on. Where is this? It's like invisible on my... Wow, dude. Exceeding a 1414 fib extension on the jar. Slightly, barely, but that Litecoin up there, that doesn't happen often, dude. Let's go. Super strong. Rewatch Cobra Kai? I might. What happened to my hair? I'm hungover. If you don't know what's going on, that just shows that I present myself pretty well, you know, every day on stream. But today was just, it was either like I don't stream at all or you get me like this. So I think most people watching would be like happy, not care like what my hair looks like or how I'm dressed. All right, let's go Doge. It's technically breaking out right now, but it's not about the breakout itself, chat. Please always remember this, because it's a lesson that Bitcoin taught everyone if they didn't pay attention. It's not about the breakout. It's about the follow-through price action the asset gets after the breakout. So it's breaking out now, but it doesn't mean it's going to go up to 36 cents. Let's see what the follow-through price action is on the asset. There's your old Bitcoin, man, exceeding that 50% retrace from its all-time highs to the correction lows. It's above it, like literally right there. And I'll just zoom out so you can know what I'm talking about, right? From the highest high of all time to the lowest low of the correction. That's how I Fibonacci'd, right? You're exceeding a 50% retrace, barely, but right now. You've regained half your value from the dump,
Bradley
right?
Etherington super chatted $50. Even being hungover AF, you still have the most valuable analysis on the interwebs. Smiley face. Thank you.
Bradley Etherington. That'd be amazing if that's actually your last name. He had his ancestors. They used to mine Ethereum back in the 1700s. Anyway, thank you for the 50, dude. Much love. Bears 5-0, it's at the pattern completion zone. So it's such a large structure, who knows how long it could take to react at this level. Oh yeah, that would have been ETC back then, but it was named Ethereum, Gucci man. So maybe it was, they were mining old Ethereum Classic. Yeah. Ethereum Classic 10 or something. What's up, Kiki? Yeah, dude, I just like the thing about Bitcoin. One thing we know, and we've already done this, right? But Bitcoin punishes people on the sidelines. Like when it decides it's time to go again, the impulses happen in such a fast manner that like if you sit out for a month, you just missed a 100% move, right? Like that's happened on Bitcoin multiple times throughout its history, over and over and over again. And you're up 54, 55% from the bottom now. You're not 100%. So you would be up 100%. You run to the next overhead resistance. But that's just like the nature of this asset. People get punished. And people also like that will be waiting for a strategic entry at 42K, they will get left in the dust. They won't be able, it won't do it. Too much demand. So it runs hard and fast. And before you know it, dang man, I'm a FOMO moon boy and I'm buying at 58K because I missed the entire run. But I want to get in because it could go to 100K. That's what everyone's saying. Oh man. Well, at this point, chat, 7 minutes till the daily close. Y'all kept me here this whole time. I can't even believe it. Worst hangover stream of my entire life. This is definitely the worst hangover stream I've ever had on stream. By far. It's not even close.
Could you look at PLNHF? Planet 13 Holdings. Been holding since $1 and it has been between $5 and $7 since February.
We will we'll look at it, Valley Vet. Thanks, man. as the day is closing soon. Congrats on your 500% gains. Oh man, it looked okay, not anymore. I don't really know how I feel about this one, dude. Yeah, dude. If $5 breaks, you're out. This thing's going to like $4 if it breaks this $5 mark. It's a local manufactured support back from December of 2020. And if this looks bad, dude. This looks like it's about to roll over, dude. Look at this. When you do that buying climax and then afterwards you make a lower high, but then you confirm that there's distribution on the second high, substantially lower than the highest high. That's bearish, man. So once $5 breaks, you could be going down to $4 extremely fast. As fast as you ran up from 4 to 5, you go down from 5 to 4. You break that, you're going down to 267 probably, which makes a lot more sense. And then we're talking about what? It's already broke, I think, the bad action magnet move, right? Think about it like this. This is where we're talking a whole reset. 88% retrace just happens to be somewhat of an inflection point that goes back to January 2019. You can clearly see the price action there, right? Lows and highs. So that is where it's probably headed in time. It had its run, right? The smart money got in down here at these levels and pushed it all the way up to 867. And now it's time to bleed out and correct for many more months. And eventually it could see an 886. And that would be an amazing low risk, high reward opportunity area. That's exactly what the altcoins did. Literally, this is an S coin, but we go back in time before the altcoins completely dumped. Okay, so I would be very careful on Planet 13. Very, very careful. And I wouldn't touch this below $5. Below $5.10, really. Okay? High probability, once B breaks and it's broken, you're going to the 886. Good luck. Anyway. Bitcoin. 4 minutes, chat. Dude, I am dead, dude. Yeah, Litecoin real quick.
Mitray's thoughts on Tilray.
What's up, Cameron Mitchell? Thanks for the 20, dude. Tilray, marijuana. So, we'll look at it. So, on Litecoin, bullish engulfing candle yesterday, broke out, broke a level. This is extremely important. A candle high close back from January 9th. A candle high close back from May of 2018. A low, chat, from December of 2017. You broke it yesterday, and today you have back tested it, what seems to be successfully back tested it as support. That's very good. In history, when we've done that, when Litecoin's done that back in March, it went berserk. It could do it again eventually. And just remember, I mean, this one has only retraced probably 23%. If it breaks this area, this 195, it's really like where it is. I mean, I say 195 because you got that high from May. You got a 245, 250. You ever break that, you're going to 314, 366, 420. I can't even believe it, man. Can you believe it? I thought we were going to 420. It went to 413. No Gatorade. Mr. Coach Klein, thanks so much. Gatorade sucks. Not really. I love Gatorade. I love lemon lime or orange Gatorade. That's the only Gatorade I'll drink ever. But I love it, man. But it's not as good as water. Because I can drink water all day. I can't drink Gatorade all day. Gatorade's a lot of sugar. I'm not a sugar guy. They tell me I'm sweet enough. Bruh. Tilray's terrible, dude. Oh god. I don't. That's 1063. Awful, dude. Awful. It's gonna bleed out probably and see it 1063. I want nothing to do. I would never want anything to do to this asset below $15. Nope. I will see the target for Tilray is 1063, chat. That's it. Okay? It just successfully back tested what was once a support as resistance. Also tested the 200-day moving average as a major resistance. It's over, dude. Probably 1063. I'll see you there. Bye. Trash. I don't know who that is. What's the guy's name in the show that is me? I mean, I think I get it. I don't. Oh, you're probably talking about this guy? I don't know, man. I mean, maybe a little bit. I'm obviously a little more scuffed.
GRWG on the weekly, please and thank you.
What's up, Meister John? Sure.
The best hangover cure is having a baby.
Is it? If it is, alright, a new day has been born, chat. We've done it, man. We've done it. A new day has been born. Grow generation is a technical major breakdown, chat. Not good. A lot of downside on this too. All pot. I mean, I can imagine all pot looks like this. Individual pot stocks. Pot is not the asset to own with what it's doing. Okay. Oh, hey, I'm echoing still, everybody. All right. So back to Bitcoin. Sorry, dude. It's your downside, man. I mean, if we're talking just a swing high, candle high close, downside target $22, $21.94. That's like the guy on Happy Gilmore, just shaking his head no on GRWG. Okay. Crazy that it's like, I can't even believe how these charts. When's the last time I looked at this? I don't know. It's been a while, but look at it. Held up. Or it didn't hold up, but the analysis makes sense. Look at all the distribution too. Gross. Correction time for pot. Okay. Here it is, chat. Engulfing candle yesterday, today, indecision candle. Fine, engulf it. I mean, like, there are theories on when Bitcoin can reverse, but if we're talking about sheer overhead resistance, there's literally zero until $50,000. And that's not even, like, that's like one time in history it reversed. Obviously 58K is the strongest resistance, but I think 50K, that's where maybe you could, this could run up another 3K and you might catch a reaction there. Near the 618 too. Well, I haven't heard an alert on storage yet, so it's probably not that special. And here's total. Still below 2 trillion. That's okay, dude. It already hit it. It exceeded it. And the next target, I mean, I have this plotted here just for the simple, you know, it's 2 trillion, dude. The next target's still 221, 2.21, 2.23 trillion. That's it. Shrieking, that's called music, Dolav, dude. It's called music. It's a trending newer song by The Weeknd, okay, called Take My Breath. So I think we got upside, more upside on Bitcoin and altcoins. Just, it may not be today, but it will eventually get there. Yeah. So that's all I got in the tank chat. I don't know. I made it to the end of the daily candle, and I appreciate y'all keeping me around, you know, with requests and stuff, and just shooting the S. It's always fun times, man. And I don't feel good, but y'all definitely made me feel better, man, for sure. Yep, storage broke out. We have a literally confirmed daily candle close breakout on storage, chat. Above a level that could take you up another 40+% in value. Major development on this asset, storage, okay? Light the torches of Gondor. We good, dude. Beautiful. So we get a back test, no problem, man. No problem. You back test 128. Who cares? Great. Even better. Confirm. Let all of us as market participants gain confirmation that what was once a resistance becomes support again. Because it's done it before and it's gone nuts. Like last time, think about this on storage. The last time this asset regarded 128.9 as support, you know what happened? It had a 120% swing in price in 15 days. What? So just pay attention. Things can repeat themselves insanely. Anyway, so I'll, leave it to y'all. Everything looks fine, man, and mild pullbacks can happen, but well off the entries of trades or deep in the green. But then there's still more tendies to be had, and on some of these, like we just looked at, there could be a lot Doge. There could be a lot more upside if it can. I think it confirmed its breakout just now. So let's see if it gets followed through price action. We still got lots of good things going on in this market, so just don't be surprised if Bitcoin keeps rolling, man. Okay. I'm gonna leave y'all with this, I don't know, it's the most hyped song I've heard in 2021. This is like the new hype song. Like, we can't play the other one until Bitcoin's testing all-time highs and stuff. But this one, dude, so good. Came out like yesterday. I played it, the intro, but I just got to play it again because I freaking can't stop. Can't stop playing it. So thanks, everyone. Bet Moonboy graced us with his presence today. Didn't know what was going to happen. Terrible hangover stream, but it ended up being a pretty good one. So thanks, everyone, for coming out. I'll be back. Until next time, respect the TA. Oh, thanks, Gandalf, dude.
I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
I have some evidence Vanbear Pig could be in this area.
I don't know, sir.
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.